Some leads are easier to get than others. They're the ones that approach you before you approach them, perhaps by following your site or signing up for your newsletter. These are inbound leads, a category that includes seeds. Inbound leads make excellent prospects. So how can you attract more of them? A great way to attract inbound leads is through referrals. Happy customers who recommend your product or services convey the trust they have in you to other people, who are then more likely to convert to customers. If you sell your products and services to other businesses, you can influence this stream by giving referrals too. After all, people are more likely to return favors you do them. Additionally, people who come to you through referrals should be able to get in touch with you easily. You don't want to lose these valuable leads just because they didn't know how to contact you. Another effective approach to generating inbound leads is through free trials. 10 years ago, many software companies didn't offer free trials, fearing that competitors would copy their ideas. Nowadays, it's an incredibly popular technique to gain new customers and sell products. Indeed, for service and software companies, this is an ideal lead generation method. But what if you're not a software company? Well, there are still ways to offer free trials. These could be free consultations, online training videos, or sample products. Of course, there are many more marketing methods that generate inbound leads. SEO, email newsletters, affiliate marketing, and social media are also highly effective tools. Choose just a handful and focus on using them as effectively as possible. Once you're confident with those techniques, you'll be able to expand your approach towards a broader base of inbound lead generation. Conferences can also generate valuable leads. It's true that conferences and trade shows have a bad reputation in sales. However, they can be more effective than you've been told. Though you might assume guests feel overwhelmed with the options and free giveaways available, there are ways to make your product stand out. First, you'll need to have an event sales team that takes responsibility for the entire process, from preparation to execution to evaluation and follow-through. In order to prepare for the event, your team should create a list of companies that will attend. Then it should select the companies that match your target group and research them. You'll need to find out who the decision makers are at the fair, as these are the people with which you want to connect. Even these interactions can be prepared for, with cheat sheets that outline key points about the targets. This will make it much easier to start conversations. A strong strategy is just as vital as preparation, so you make sure the members of your sales team use their cheat sheet to proactively approach target prospects. Remember, your time is limited, so companies that don't fit your target profile can be omitted from your leads list. Otherwise, your salespeople will just be wasting time making follow-up calls. A thorough evaluation is also important, as it will boost your chances of success at future conference events. So how can you assess the success of your event? You could, for example, measure the number of leads within the following 2 to 4 weeks, or you could examine the actual sales results over the next 2 to 6 months. Now that we've learned all about generating leads, it's time to think a little more broadly. What makes a strong sales organization overall? Boost productivity with specialized sales teams. How do you build a great modern sales organization? Take that daunting task step by step. The first step is specialization. This means splitting responsibilities and tasks into different sales roles. Without specialization, you risk inefficiencies. There are several different tasks involved in sales, so why force your team members to take on all of them? You'll boost productivity if you divide your sales team into 4 core functions. The first of the 4 is inbound lead qualification. This group consists of market response representatives who take care of the marketing leads coming through your website or hotline. These leads usually arise from marketing programs, search engine marketing, or referrals. The second core function is outbound prospecting. In this section, new business representatives develop sales opportunities from lists of target accounts that are cold or inactive. This team is most effective when it implements cold calling 2.0. They don't close deals, but qualify and create sales opportunities to pass on to account executives. Account executives work within the third core function, the process of closing deals, which we associate most strongly with sales. The fourth and final function is account management, where current customers are cared for with offers for new deals and products, encouraging them to keep buying from you. Perhaps you can easily imagine 4 separate teams to cover these functions in a large company, but what about small businesses?